Hello hackers! What the heck is going on? Now the last few days have been very busy for me. That's because I'm trying to get the HEC board here to display something like anything, and now I can finally present the result. I'm just going to power the board with my USB power bank here, and you can see it clear the screen. Let's wait a little bit for it to load the font data. And here we go. Now this is the message saying, "Hi, it's me, Monica." If you don't know who Monica is, well, Monica is basically like the BIOS of this motherboard. It's called the monitor kernel application. I will go into details about Monica in some other videos, but this is like nowhere close to that. This is just a fancy way to say like hello world from this motherboard. Well, when somebody talk about hello world, the first thing that pop into my mind is the Band Eater's hello world program. And many people comment below that video saying that, oh my god, to write a hello world on a 6502 with the LCD is like super duper complicated. But it's nothing compared to this one, because the TMS9980 is designed to be a versatile video chip capable of displaying text like this one, but also graphics. So I have to set up the video mode, set up the RAM, actually load the font. It's not like Famicom, which is a very similar design indeed, but you can store the font into ROM and plug it in and forget about it. I spent like a total of 4 or 5 days on this, and like 1 or 2 days completely fruitless because I tried to just bang all the font data into this thing and to get something on screen and then enable the display. But it doesn't work for whatever reason. I think it turns out that you have to update the VRAM during like vertical blank. So that's a note for anyone who's building this board in the future or who building anything with the TMS chip in the future. Now, there's the question of why do I make this? Of course, this is a big step, but there's also another reason to it, and that is I found out on YouTube a few days ago there is another YouTube channel called John's Basement who is doing almost exactly the same thing that I'm doing here. Of course, that project is called like the Z80 Retro Board. The interesting part is that he's building a video circuit with the TMS9118 chip. And he's reaching there. He's got the PCB printed. He's got the circuit worked out. So I decided that I will beat him to the point of getting anything displayed on the screen. So that's what I've been working on the last few days. And yesterday and today, these 2 days are dedicated to get sharp character on screen because my initial circuit has a lot of noise going on in it, and I ended up adding 8 bypass caps underneath each of these DRAM chips because I found out in order for the bypass caps to be effective, you have to place them as close to the DRAM chips as possible. And that's the way I solved this problem. And it worked. So this text here you see is actually much clearer and has much less noise than what I started with, than what I got for the first time. The first time was like jail bars everywhere. It's like blurry text. Yeah, it's basically like those RF modulated video output. But now, here is it. And that's it for this video. And bye-bye.